Alright, so I am replacing some batteries and a joystick on this Go chair. Apparently the chair is not holding a charge, so they're going to go ahead and replace the joystick and the batteries. So here is the new joystick. Here's the old joystick. So let's get started. Start by taking this off. Screwdriver is a magnetic tip, which definitely helps. Boom. And a lot of times what you can do is leave the zip ties on there, so when this falls, it just hangs on there and it doesn't hit the ground. Or you can just hold the joystick just like that. Let's put that right there. Let's get the new one. Put that one on. This shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. Put the other one on. And we're just going to zip tie it the same way. This one does have an extension cable that looks like this. Make sure that's nice and tight. Get my zip ties. And then we're going to tighten that arm too because it's loose anyways. And I'm going to zip tie it through the other end so it doesn't tangle up anywhere. Make sure that pops into place too. Not too tight, but not too loose. Do the same thing over here. Perfect. And then we'll do another one on this end. Now this one you cannot zip tie all the way down because it is a swivel on the seat. So if you do that, when the client swivels, it's gonna break off. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Cut this little zip ties off. Make sure that's nice and tight. Yep, there we go. We'll go ahead and swivel it this way. Let's take the rest of this joystick off. Now this is a spare part that the tech here in Delaware can use. I'm going to take the seat off. And now I'm going to get to the batteries. Now for the batteries, to get to the box, you do have to take these covers off right here. So you should be able to stick your fingernails in there. If not, a flathead will work. I don't have one. So I'm going to use a box cutter to expose it. There's one. There's two. I'm going to start with these. Then you're gonna have some down here. Pretty simple to replace these batteries. You do want to have a longer screwdriver with a magnetic tip. Makes it a little bit easier. And of course, once you flip them over, all the ones that are still in the holes are going to come out. Perfect. There we go. I'm going to check the voltage on the old batteries. It's actually pretty nice up here in Mass. The weather's pretty good. See why it's not powering on. There you go. 0.3. 0.3 and 0.3. No good batteries. So take the straps off. So this is probably a number 8. Yep. So this is a number 8. We're gonna loosen these up. Use my needle nose just to hold on to this. That's all it is. Just I have to be a little bit hold it on a little bit because it does have that washer on there that's pretty secure. Ratchet would be the way to go for sure. Let's get a new battery. Check the voltage on this new battery. And we have 12.6. Wonderful. So I'm just gonna date it. 12.6 volts. Today is the 20th, I believe. 21st. 5/21/22, and we'll put my initials. So I'm the one that did it. The date code is 4/24. Start taking these off. There we go. I'm just going to use the same hardware since it's still good. Perfect. Put that one out. Make sure you get that. I'm going to do this one first. I could reach up a little bit. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Let's tighten this one up first.
Tony wants that one on, he wants the one over the thing, which that and
nice and tight. We'll put the strap back on. There we go. That way that doesn't bounce around. And we'll put this other one. It's hard working with gloves, man, because they're not extremely tight and stuff gets in the way. Boom, boom, boom.